It, um, I think I had the direction right, and then you keep following your path, uh, and you and it's not ki movies is the ultimate. Is like she was saying, and if I were to understand, is the process, which is so interesting. And we do a lot of big hoo-ha, hoo about films and film personalities as such. They're representing the audiences. Yes, in a glorified, dramatized way. So I think if you keep following your heart and keep making choices day on day, even now, we've landed in movies, but this is where it begins. This is not the destination. Abhi, यहाँ पे you have to make a choice. Shall I make this film or that film? Um, will this film get made? Then there are hard choices. You face the more difficult the script is, the more difficult to get finances for it and get everything around. They're like-minded people who come together. So that much more conviction you need. So
And the purpose of what you want to say.
yeah, most certainly. I think there are two ways of looking at anything. Is even if I'm cooking simple dal chawal, is like could be अच्छा मैं बना दिया हो गया खा लो. एक होता है उसमें प्यार डाल के उसको कितनी पैशनेटली बनता है वो और तो मज़ा आता है. Yeah.
Thank you, Rakesh ji. I was looking at the women who have fed me, my mother and my mother-in-law right here. Uh, okay, you spoke about your father and how he was an important part of your life. And Rakesh ji also has spoken so much about his father and his mother and her cooking.
Oh,
Right?
Annapurna,
And the food. Rakesh ji's mother's name was Annapurna, and she was a vegetarian all her life. But she used to make amazing dahi mutton for so many people that used to come just to have that. What is your journey around food and the food that your mother's made for you?
I eat, sleep, dream food.
Not visible.
I make sure that it's not visible. But one of the reason why I really wanted my mom to come back and live with me in Mumbai is because the food. I really, really miss that. And I, being a Maharashtrian, the fish and the curries, I really, really miss. And I have made so many friends in every city only because of food. I've bonded over food. And I think, so I was a very shy child. I used to never speak. My dad, he got transferred and I changed 11 schools in my life. So having a
That's a lot.
conversation, yeah, that's a lot. Having a conversation with, friends was very difficult for me. So I always used to begin the conversation, कि आज टिफिन में क्या लाया तूने? आज मैंने टिफिन में ये लाया. So food was like an icebreaker for me, and I think food is very important. On set also, we only kept
I was just
talking
going to
about
come to
food.
that.
In the book, it's only about food. There's just food everywhere.
There's in fact a very nice anecdote in the book where during the preparation of Bhag Milka Bhag, when Farhan sir wanted to, really stay away from oily food, and he used to dangle naans in front of him to tempt him. So that's also an episode in the book. Since we are, we have some strength in numbers here on this stage and we are two women here, I want to ask you one thing. How has the projection and the role of women in cinema changed? Rakesh ji, of course, he has a very intentional and purposeful way to cast a woman and her arc, her character arc in the film. And that, of course, is extremely encouraging because women get a chance to perform, to express themselves. And you have, recently worked with him. How do you see that as defining the way women themselves are seen in cinema?
Thank you for that question. And I'm grateful to Rakesh sir and the writers of the film to write Ananya. It's a very unique role. I've always been a big fan of Smita Patil ji, and the kind of choices she made when it comes to her career, the films that she was part of, I felt like Smita ji was way ahead of her time. और मुझे ना हमेशा ऐसे फिल्मों का हिस्सा बनना था जो एक इम्पैक्ट छोड़ सके, और हमारे लाइफ में भी आपकी मम्मी या आपकी मदर इन लॉ या आपकी बेटी, दे आर एज स्ट्रॉन्ग, बट वाई वॉज इट नॉट प्रोजेक्टेड इन द मूवीज़? क्यों मूवीज़ में हमेशा ऐसे दिखाया जाता था कि हीरो हमेशा हीरोइन को प्रपोज करता है और जब तक वो हाँ ना बोले वो उसके पीछे पड़ के पागल, उसको लिटरली दैट डे आई वाज वाचिंग अ वेरी आइकॉनिक फिल्म where the boyfriend proposed to the girl. Sridevi ma'am was a part of it, and जब तक वो हाँ नहीं कहती थी वो बाइक पे ऐसे स्पीड करे जा रहा था। मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि यही चीज़ लोग देखते हैं और अपनाते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में। और एक चीज़ जो मुझे अच्छी लगी कि अनन्या प्यार में है, लेकिन पहला जो स्टेप इस रिलेशनशिप में अगर आप देखें तूफान, तो वो लेती है वो पहला स्टेप। शी इज़ द वन हु इज़ गोइंग एंड आस्किंग। सो दिस इज़ दैट स्मॉल डिफरेंस बट अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस in terms of cinema, the way it is portrayed. So thank you, sir. And गए वो दिन जहाँ पे लड़की बेचारी होती थी, एंड बस हो गया अभी। वी शुड जस्ट ट्रीट इट इक्वल वे में। जो एक लड़का या एक आदमी करने के काबिल है, वो लड़कियाँ भी उसके काबिल है। तो समानता से अगर हम देखें और ट्रीट करें हर एक को, तो बहुत बेटर होगा। और तूफान जैसे और ऐसे कई ऐसे फिल्में मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऑल द डायरेक्टर्स, द अपकमिंग डायरेक्टर्स, टू मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग मूवीज लाइक दीज। And I'm really happy to debut with Love Sonia, because that movie literally changed everything for me, the way I think, the way I function. And we really, really need more filmmakers and scripts and stories that is going to change the way people look at women.
Rakesh ji, for you.
It's not a debate for me. It's that I think it needs to start at the family level. It's not about the movies. It's not about. It's at the family level. So if your daughter is, for the longest time, she's not been given the same. मतलब बेटा पैदा हुआ है तो मिठाई बटेगी, बेटी पैदा हुई है तो लाइट ऑफ कर दो, and stuff like that has happened, and which is then seeped into your literature, collective consciousness has seeped into your films. अरे ऑडियंस को यही सुनना है, उनको वही सुनाओ. So that's not an excuse. I'm just trying to see where it all happened. Bygones हो गया अभी. Now we should live in the present and move forward. And yes, conversations are important all along. But more than conversations, practice is even more important. And we were doing a scene in Rang De Basanti where it's a pre-climax scene and everybody is sitting in a bar and they're getting drunk. The boys are getting drunk. Two of the boys don't drink, Aslam and Lakshman Pandey, Atul Kulkarni and Kunal Kapoor. But Amir, Siddharth, Madhavan, they're happily having. And Soha is also with them. So I said, and some are having rum, some are having wine. So I saw the table, I said, where's Soha's glass? Arey, she's a girl. वो movies में दिखाते नहीं ऐसे girls drinking and all. And that I'm talking about 16 years ago, नहीं दिखाते थे. Unless you are like loose character and all, or trying to entice somebody. So first I fired that assistant of mine immediately. I said, go sit outside. You're not required in this scene at all.
There's another book inside you.
Yeah.
We haven't covered this.
And said, आप बाहर बैठो प्लीज, आपको समझ ही नहीं आया हम कौन सी फिल्म बना रहे हैं और क्या कर रहे हैं. तो फिर if you're doing something. So these things keep happening and recurring, time and again. Um, Obviously, the film had a very strong female protagonist who, Sue McKinley, who comes from the UK in India too. So she is the main instigator of the film as such. She runs the film. So, and every time there doesn't have to be, I completely agree with you about, stalking a woman and falling in love has been the idea of romance in our country. The hero stalks the woman, the heroine, and until then, she's roaming around with her friends and all. The moment she falls in love, वो सलवार कमीज पहनना शुरू कर देती है. ऐसा भी होता था हमारी फिल्म में, बहुत फिल्में हैं ऐसी. Then in Delhi 6 again, I wanted to bring out, because I know old Delhi, I know closed societies, and I have seen, I've been part of, as kids we are playing gully cricket, all the old people are sitting on the chabutra next to the mandir in the small gully. And if a girl of the house just walks in at 6:30 in the evening, everyone will go quiet and say, यार ये सूरज ढलने के बाद घर आ रही है. Then they'll go and speak to the parents. अरे आप छोटू साहब आप क्या कर रहे हैं, like my mama. ये अच्छे घरों की वो नहीं. Now, I'm not blaming those guys. I'm also saying because we haven't provided security for our women, we haven't let them feel safe. So somewhere the whole psychosis. And then there are, obviously at a higher level, there have been absolutely statements which are, and movies and by thought leaders who by default say something or meaning it, not meaning it, but it makes a huge impression on the diaspora and the people कि यार ऐसा ही तो है, सही तो बोल रहा है, ऐसा ही होता है. You know, look at Vandana Kataria and hat-trick scorer. For the longest time, she was discouraged by her neighborhood and all, and only her father stood by her. And today, she represents your country. Not that neighbor out there. Matlab, he's still in the corner shop eating samosa or something. And so there needs to be a deep thought here. We have to look inwards and say कि यार ये हो गया अभी, आगे बढ़ते हैं. And learn from all this, yeah.
अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि हीरोइंस हीरोज को बचाए भागकर है ना, मजा आएगा.
You know, in the spirit of, you know, what he said, आगे बढ़ते हैं, and there's so much evolution. You know, this book itself is about the evolution of a protagonist, right? From his childhood to his youth to his beliefs and how he constantly sought. So after Aks, one of my favorite portions in the book is when he discovers cinema after Aks, because he did not really learn filmmaking, right? So he discovered, and because there was no portion that he had to study, he studied whatever he encountered, or he went where the path led. And you know, because we are here discussing books, and books are such an important part of your evolution as an artist. Maybe we could just, you know, discuss a couple of books that have inspired you, a couple of books that have inspired you to, and formed a part of your evolution as an artist. Rakesh.
I have to confess, I'm not such an informed reader as such. Some selected books which I keep reading again and again. And some poetry by Sahil Ludhianvi or Gulzar Bhai, To Kill a Mockingbird, Ayn Rand, her Fountainhead and Atlas Shrugged, and Virtue of Selfishness and all that. Lately, Alif Shafaq has been very close to my heart, you know, the 40 Rules of Love and all that. Sharat Chandra, Mohsin, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, Bharti ji, inki kavitaएं. They've reflected, his poem is there in the beginning of Rang De Basanti.
Sahir Ludhianvi. Yeah.
No, Dharamveer Bharti. And so it's you find those things and then you keep reading them again. I like comic books a lot. They set off your imagination in a big way. Um, I like children's book a lot. Um, I think they are amazing. The cartoons and the simple stories and I rediscovered them when my kids were growing up and they were going through them. Not rediscovered, actually discovered, because we didn't have those books. We had Rashtrapati and ho gaya. So suddenly realized there's so much of children's literature. That's where it begins in the world. And because we were had the means, so we just filled up their rooms with books and reading habits. And Bharti, my wife, has to read like a book a day or something like that. She's crazy about them, and that has gone into our daughter, our son, Bhairavi and Vedant. So they also read a lot, except me. So looking at they are your best friends. There's no question about them. Because what the books do is, if you see a movie, everybody's seeing the same film. If there is that one book and 10,000 people are reading it, there are 10,000 different imaginations. So you can relate to yourself in a huge way in the books. I don't think the habit is dying or all that. Those are all very, very, yes, habits might be changing from physical books to digital books and stuff like that. I've seen still people consuming a lot. You go on a metro ride in Tokyo and everybody is just, nobody is looking up. Everybody is deep inside their books and manga and comics and whatever they're reading. All that. So I'm so grateful to you and so blessed that you have managed to put something together with The Stranger in the Mirror. So while we are talking, she is the main culprit. So you have to, any blame is ours. We'll take all the credit. Yeah.
And there's one beautiful thing mentioned in the book that, the only thing that is constant is change. But you have to change too, right? अगर आप नहीं बदलोगे तो कुछ नहीं बदलने वाला. दुनिया बदल जाएगी लेकिन आप वहीं के वहीं रहेंगे. So all these one lines in the book, it has really inspired me. If I'm having a bad day on set, and I have this now. I've made this a habit that in between the shots, जब lighting कुछ change हो रही होती है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेती हूँ in between the shots. तो एक जो last chapter है जो मेरा बहुत ही favorite है, Mirror. उसमें इतने अच्छे से बखूबी से आपने you wrote it. That's one of my favorite chapter in the book, and it was so overwhelming. I believe that after reading this book, I have started जो अपने अंदर के जो instincts होते हैं, I have started following that. क्योंकि वो अंदर की एक आवाज़ होती है, हम हमेशा उसको अनदेखा कर देते हैं, सुनते नहीं है, लेकिन होता वही है जो हमने पहले सोचा था. So I feel like after reading this book, Rita, I think I'm a better person. I'm more aware. So thank you for writing such an amazing book. And so, आपका जितना मैं thank you करूँ उतना कम है.
I have this thing, Rakeshji, sometimes I feel that this is an act of patriotism. I don't know why. This morning I got up thinking that writing this book was a patriotic act because, the cinema that he has made makes us think. And it is so important for people to connect with the motivations and the purpose that fired him. It's not about the glamour, as he very rightly said. It's about the purpose behind what he did, why he did. And, I remember the day the book was going in for printing. And, we had stayed with the book for 4 years. And I think both of us and Dishti had problems letting it go. So, and they said that, give us one last quote to keep in our hand. कि अगर कोई पेज इधर उधर हो गया प्रिंटिंग में तो हम वो कोट डाल दें. So I called him and I said that, sir, J.R.R. Tolkien का एक quote है, not everyone who wanders is lost. And you remember this, right? We discussed it and I said you keep it with you. अगर एक space, एक page कहीं खुल जाता है, then just write, not everyone who wanders is lost. Because he's had his own journey, you've had your own journey. And every artist, has had their own journey. So I think this book is the story of a man who followed his heart against all odds. And there is something in it for students, there's something in it for filmmakers, there's most certainly something in it for people who love the idea of India and what India is, and the idea of doing things with integrity and passion and standing for something you believe in. So, Rakesh ji, thank you again.
Thank you, Rakesh.